welcome to this class that is designed to solve mathematics question. We have this question here which is on matrix. We are asked to find the inverse of this matrix we have here. We call it A 7 9 minus 3 4. This is a matrix we are asked to find is inverse. Now the first thing you do here is to find the determinant of this matrix. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. It is very easy for us to approach. If I have this symbol like this, I mean determinant of A is equal to this right diagonal. From it, you subtract the left diagonal value. You multiply the right diagonal, 7 multiplied by 4, minus, what is the left diagonal? Minus 3 multiplied by 9. So we have it to become 28 minus 27. Minus times minus means plus. That will be 28 plus 27 will give us 55. After we've gotten our 55, we have been able to get out the value of our determinant. Now, for the inverse, that is equal to this, that is the meaning of inverse of this A, will be equal to 1 over determinant into bracket over. Then you will now look at the expression we have here. You will interchange the right diagonal expression 4, 7. Then you multiply 1. You multiply minus 1 to the left diagonal expression. Minus 1 times 9, that's minus 9. Minus 1 times minus 3, that will be equal to plus 3. So we have the inverse. A inverse will be equal to 1 over 55 upon the bracket into 4 minus 9, 3, 7. Yeah, this is how we solve the question as regards this. Many of this type and all the mathematics lecture are available on our channel. Do subscribe for you to be able to have date-to-date information from us, and as well for you to be able to have access to all our lectures on our channel. You can as well reach us by searching for the channel's name that we have here. Thanks and God bless.